Hello guys, this is Vivek back to my next video tutorial. This is video tutorial number 6, and in this part I will complete the business logic of our custom search and view all media. So let's start implementing that. We first need to create the object of our view media data table. Media data table equals to new view media data table. Don't worry about this error, this will be fixed. So as we fixed it for user implementation, we can use the media data set that's come from our model class library. So now we need the table adapter, so that's view media. It's not data table, it's table adapter, and it's media table adapter equals to new view media table adapter. This error can also be fixed in the same way. So now it will return all the data, all the media data here. So we can simply return that using media media table adapter dot fill. We can pass the empty data table we created, media data table. So this will return all the media data table here. What's wrong? Oh, I didn't return. I also need to return a data table here, media data table. Perfect, the error is gone. So now let's go ahead and implement the search. So here we have different criteria. We just can check criteria with that. I mean, we either user can do a genre search or a director search or a director genre search, and also both the fields can be empty. So in that case, if both the A field is empty and the user provides a user click the search button, then we will return them with all the data in the data table. So for that we can simply use a if statement. So if director is equal to empty and genre is equals to empty. So in this case we gonna return oops, I didn't create the empty data table and the media table editor. I can simply copy and paste here, or else you can cut it from here and put over here, so that you can use that commonly for both the both our methods. What's interrupted in the middle? So either I can copy and paste this two line and paste it here, or I can cut and paste it over here. So it's up to you guys. I'll just copy and paste this so the code looks a bit more clear. So I can use I can copy and paste this line here, so it will fill up all the metadata table. Else if uh, let's say if director is not empty, so director is not equal to empty and genre is empty, genre is empty, then in that case we gonna display all the values of director matching the director inputted by the user. So for that we can simply call the our media table adapter dot. Now if director, we are searching for director here, so we need to call the method from here. So that's search director, so it's a search director, and you type in search director here and pass in the empty data table, which is media data table. I'll simply copy and paste that here, and director. Perfect. Else if, I'll just copy and paste it here for time saving. Else if director is empty and genre is not empty, then we gonna search for search genre. Search genre. What's wrong? Search genre, and we're gonna pass it genre here. Else the final statement is if both are empty, or else if one is empty and one is not empty, I mean if director is not empty and genre is empty, or else director is empty and genre is not empty, else both are not empty. So for this statement we can simply let me not copy and paste because you guys will get confused. I'll just type in here media table adapter dot source director and genre. So it's source director and genre, pass in the media data table, and please guys, please make note that the director and genre needs to be passed serially here. You cannot pass the genre and director, you need to pass director and genre, because if you do so you guys might end up getting not expected results. So please make note of this. Pass in director first and the genre. So with that being said, it's all done. One more thing is left to implement. So our data table, which I mean the media data table, might also return empty results. So we also have to check that. So we're gonna implement the if statement for that. So we're gonna check here rows count of media data table. Media data table dot rows dot count is equal to 0. then in that case we're gonna simply set the media data table to null, and lastly we're gonna return the media data table. So perfect, I think everything will work as I expect. Hope so. So this is a great place to stop. I think I have implemented my business logic here. Now just a matter of binding this logic to the view inside here. I will do that in my next video tutorial, and most probably the next video will be the last video of this series, and I will definitely complete that in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.